All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for joining us on that interview. We hope you enjoyed that great, awesome interview. Coming up, we have a song by the Sounds of Imani. Yes, featuring Dr. Gerald and Dr. Carol Urbans of Detroit. Yes, glad to have them as part of our family here on KBDH radio and also on their station as well, and all the other stations that are airing this show. So, look, thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for keeping it locked right here on the Dr. Byron D. Herndon radio show. I believe we got time for another couple more songs, and then we're gonna be headed out for this episode. Tune in next week for another great episode of the Dr. Byron D. Herndon, featuring Jershika Maple, another talent from The Voice. But actually, I think I have one. I think I have one coming up before her, and that show will be put out as well. And just keep it locked right here on your favorite stations, right here on the Dr. Byron D. Herndon radio show. So let's get "Come Praise the Lord" is the song that is sung by the Sounds of Imani, moving up in the charts, and glad to be of service to them right here on the Dr. Byron D. Herndon radio show.